Welcome back to LiveLeanTV. I'm Jessica Guthrow. Today we're going to talk about supplements, if you even need to bother taking them, if they will help you get fit, and which ones are the most beneficial. If you follow a lot of fitness channels, no doubt you have seen a lot of people taking a lot of supplements. They're really popular in the fitness industry, and a lot of fitness personalities like us are recommending supplements, and we give you discount codes and all of that stuff, but I know it can be really confusing because you're like, do I even need this? Is this the secret to why these people are so fit, and what's the deal with this? So we do get a lot of questions about, one, whether supplements are necessary or not, and then two, like if you are gonna take them, which ones do you need and how many of them? So I really wanted to clear up that confusion today and give you guys a full education on if supplements are necessary or not, how you make the decision to take them or not, and then also which ones. So what I'm gonna do is actually share with you a full-length lesson from our Live Lean Way course. Out of the 28 video lessons included in the Live Lean Way course, this is just one of them. It's number 18, and it's dedicated to teaching you everything you need to know about supplements and how to make your decision on which ones to take to support your goals. So I'm gonna just play for you that full video. Not only will this video answer these questions for you immediately today, but it'll also give you a little taste of what it's like to be enrolled in the Live Lean Way course. This is just one out of the 28 different lessons on various topics about how you can get and live lean permanently. Welcome back, day 18 now. We are talking about supplements. We're gonna cover a bunch of information here about what different supplements do, what your options are, and whether you should choose to take them or not. Supplements are a tool to help you take your fitness further. They're not a magic bullet to do your fitness for you. None of these supplements are required for living lean, and they're not even really recommended unless you have a clear need for them and see a clear benefit from taking them. So there's two questions I want you to ask yourself anytime you think about adding a supplement to your diet. First is there a need for it? And then second is, will I receive a clear benefit from adding this? If you see a clear need and the risk is low and it's not going to harm your health in any way, then you can add it to your diet. You can also just try out different supplements for a while. You don't have to commit to taking them forever. So keep that in mind whenever you're shopping supplements or toying with the idea of adding them, is that it's not permanent, but you definitely want to make sure that it's going to help your health and not hurt it. You never want to add a supplement to your diet just because someone told you to. It should be something that you feel really comfortable with and that you actually want to take. Food is always first though. Always remember that. You can get all the nutrition you need from your food. I know that's easier said than done though, because our food is a little different these days. A lot of our foods don't have the same nutrients that they had in the past, and it can be hard to eat the amount of vegetables you need to every day when your life is busy, like most people's is. So I get it, supplements can be a really convenient, really awesome option for boosting the nutrition of your diet, and supplements should never replace healthy foods in your diet. You should make sure that your diet is healthy first, full of whole, natural, real foods, and then add the supplements on top of that. Not as a meal replacement, but just additional. Now, if you do feel you have a need and you can see that there will be clear benefits from adding a supplement, here are some that you may want to consider. There are about 6 different supplements that I consider to be the most popular and show the most benefit from adding them. So you can listen to this list and the benefits and see if any of these are appealing to you, but don't take this as a list of mandatories. These are just options and just giving you some information without telling you whether or not you have to take these or not. That decision should be up to you. The one supplement that I've found most helpful in my Live Lean journey is protein. Now, proteins come in many different forms. You can do a plant protein, you can do a whey protein, there's even egg and beef protein, a lot of different types these days on the market, and they come in different flavors and different concentrates and all of that. This supplement is so helpful because, as you probably know, protein is the one macro that most people are lagging on. It's hard to get enough protein in your diet just from food alone. It means eating a lot of food, and because protein is the most satiating and filling of the 3 macronutrients, it makes you feel really full, making it harder to overdo on protein than it is compared to like carbs and fats. So I would say the majority of people, especially those who are trying to change their body composition, meaning increase lean muscle mass and decrease their fat mass, are usually lacking in protein. So this is a really helpful supplement. It's more convenient than eating a whole food meal. You can get it in a powder form. It's usually a sweet flavor like chocolate or vanilla, so it can satisfy those sweet cravings. And it's more cost effective when you compare it to other protein food sources. So taking a protein supplement, like in the form of a protein shake post-workout, not only does it help you absorb the protein faster, but it's also more convenient and easier to do than eating food immediately after your workout. But you can definitely still get great results from eating a whole food meal after your workout if you choose not to supplement with protein. The next supplement you might consider is taking a multivitamin. And really this is just to cover all your bases, just in case you don't get enough variety in your diet every day, which I know can be hard. If you're not eating mountains of veggies per day, you might feel that you're lacking in some nutrients or minerals or vitamins. So including a multivitamin is just a really easy way to cover those bases and keep your immune system strong, keep you really healthy. You may want to consider a pre-workout supplement drink. Now, I just use coffee or tea before my workouts, and that suffices, but that's caffeine only. Some of the pre-workout drinks on the market include other ingredients that help you with mental focus. So if one of your struggles is getting the motivation to even get to the gym and then having energy once you're at the gym, a pre-workout drink could really help give you that little boost you need to get you into the gym and get your body moving. If that's not a struggle for you, then you might not need a pre-workout drink, but it's optional. A branched-chain amino acid supplement could help you if you're struggling with muscle recovery or maintaining your lean muscle mass. Now, if you notice that you skip a couple of workouts and your muscles shrink, or that you're having a really hard time recovering and you're sore for days and days and days after your workout, then it may be because you're lagging a little bit on branched-chain amino acids, which is something you can get from food as well. It's found in proteins. Supplementing with BCAA'S could help boost your recovery and make it easier for you to get to the gym more often, and help you hold on to that precious muscle mass that you're losing. You can take BCAA'S in the form of pills, which is the easiest way, I think, or it comes in powders, but just watch out for all the artificial sweeteners that usually come in those. Then there's creatine for performance enhancement, muscle, and strength. If you notice that you're not getting stronger in your workouts and you're stuck at a plateau, or you're not putting on the muscle size that you want, you may consider adding creatine. Again, this is a compound found naturally in your body, but supplementing with creatine can help boost your levels of creatine, helping you store more hydration in your muscles and enhancing your performance at the gym. If you're noticing joint inflammation or pain in your joints when you work out, or just like lack of mobility, like feeling stiff, you may want to consider supplementing with an omega-3 supplement. And it comes in the form of like fish oils, which you can take in capsules or in liquid form. If you take it in the liquid format, it's really easy to just toss into your smoothie and you don't even notice it's in there. But if you're eating a lot of fish and seafood in your diet, you're probably getting a good amount of it as well. But if you do notice trouble with your joints, this is one thing that has been shown to help. Now go ahead and take a moment to fill in your journal about those 6 different supplements and the benefits of each. There are of course so many other supplements. I mean, there are just probably millions. I can't even name them all, but these are just the core group that I consider to be the most popular, the most beneficial, and the safest. Now, if you notice you're having particular struggles that you think could be related to your nutrition, it never hurts to see a specialist about it. You can have your blood work taken to see what nutrients you might be lacking in, or you could talk to a specialist about your symptoms and see what could be improved. It's never a bad idea to seek professional advice when it comes to improving your health. Never forget this though, supplements are not magic bullets. Supplements aren't going to make you fit. They are just tools to help you get there a little bit faster and more effectively. Getting in shape takes work, meaning physical activity paired with a healthy, balanced diet that's correctly portioned for your goals. Without the core actions of fitness, meaning working out and eating right, supplements aren't going to do anything for you. So use supplements only as a tool to help and not as a replacement for healthy eating or working out. Your physical action step for today is to shop a supplement store, and this can can mean going in person to a local supplement store, or you can just do it online. But I just want you to browse through different supplements, see what's offered, and see what the benefits of different supplements are. And I don't mean to buy anything. You don't have to buy anything today. If you're not interested in supplements, then don't buy them ever. That's totally fine. They're 100% optional. I just want you to be educated about what they are and what they can do to help you. So that's it for today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow. There's just a wealth of information, everything you need to know to get and live lean forever that's about nutrition is included in this course. Nutrition is the #1 downfall for people when they're trying to get lean. A lot of mistakes are made, there's a lot of confusion out there, so that's what Live Lean Way course was built on. It was clearing up the confusion and giving you the real information on what it actually takes to live lean. It also helps you eliminate the stress and the guilt associated with dieting, because we all know that's a really big part of dieting is you always feel guilty when you fall off the wagon, and it's just this on the wagon, off the wagon. That's not what living lean is about. So with Live Lean Way course, you'll learn the right mindset tools to help you live lean consistently without the guilt, confusion, frustrations. And if you enjoy what you learn in this lesson, just know there is so much more waiting for you inside the full Live Lean Way course. And there are still a few days left in open enrollment. It closes on June 5th. And we don't know when the next reopen will be. So if you are interested in this, now is the time to act. It closes on Tuesday. All right, so that's it for your sample of what's inside the Live Lean Way. I hope you enjoyed that lesson, and just know that there is so much more. We talk about free foods, about macros, about meal planning, about grocery shopping, about eating out, socializing, just everything that has to do with food that affects your life and your decisions is all included in the Live Lean Way course. Students are loving it so far, gotten some great feedback, and remember, there are only a few more days for open enrollment, so don't delay. If you're interested, now is the time. You go through it together with the group and you can support each other, and I'm there to cheer you on. And you're gonna love it. I can't wait to hear about your mental transformation. That's what's so key in getting your body to change. Your mind has to change first, your body will follow. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, I will be down in the comment section below answering your questions, and you can always hit me up on social media like Instagram or Facebook. I love you guys, and I'll see you at next week's video. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.